Hey y'all, welcome back to SweetGemLife. It's your girl Keena. Today we are doing the unboxing of the February 2020 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Paris in Spring. Y'all, first of all, I'm here for this entire color scheme going on here. I just want to flip it over so you guys can see the florals on the back, gold foil, so you know this is my kind of box, baby. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. So in true Keena fashion, I will start with the menu card and I will go down the list in the order of the way the items are listed on the card. So first things first, we have our foiled journaling card, and it's just this light cream color. It has the pink bike there, and it does have the gold foil accents, and I wish I could see what it says. Some of the foil is rubbed off on mine. Y'all, look at my ashy hand. Out of line. Okay, I'm back. Ashy hands are the benefits of regularly washing your hands during COVID. Anyway, back to this box. Here is the foiled journaling card. Next up, we have our washi tape. Oh, y'all know people live for this Simply Gilded box because of the washi. It's just fact. There's no tea, no shade there. It is fact. Now, for once, I was finally prepared and unwrapped the rolls. This is a thing, you know. And boom, we have some paper so that we can roll them out. So here is the regular washi in the kit that's included in the kit. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls. So Irene really outdid herself this month. You have the 7 rolls of washi, and then I have the 6mm add-on. So I get this additional 4 rolls of washi for an extra $6. So here is the regular washi sub and the add-on sub, and we're gonna roll this out so you guys can see it.
My heart is all you know, it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know.
Okay, y'all, so here is the washi all rolled out for this month's kit. We did get 1 perforated tape. We have the cityscape. Y'all, I'm here for the Eiffel Tower always, okay? And then we have this bow with the squiggly line. We have our 2 rolls of the standard Simply Gilded bow with this floral black background that I'm loving. The perforated tape. We have this I want to call it a chevron pattern. This popped up, I think, originally August. I'm looking over here at my washi, my Simply Gilded washi drawer, and I believe it was that. Oh my goodness, I have so much washi over here, y'all. It's ridiculous. Let me see. I believe it was that September box. I'll leave that down in the description box. And then we have the bows and bikes, boats and hold. Okay, get it together. We have bows and bikes here, and then for the 6mm add-on, we have the mini of the flagship washi. We've got our cream with the gold hearts. We've got our heart and vine with that sage color, and then one of my fast favorites is this color block. I'm really loving the color block washi. So guys, this is the washi in this month's kit all rolled out. The next item on the list is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. If I can get it open, I will show you. Here we go. Okay, So we have our heart icons in the with the floral background. We've got our heart date icons, heart dates, date hearts. Let's call it date hearts. Then next we have the mini sheet. We have our seals. Y'all, look at the print back there. This is a really pretty month. And then we have our 2 pages. We have 1, 2, 3 sets of date covers. Y'all, I'ma forever love Irene for this, because I can literally stretch these sheets a month if I'm careful. I will definitely probably have to use additional date dots or find some date dots, but that's easy peasy. So we've got our full boxes, our checklists, our headers, some more full boxes, some more headers. We've got some deco and some flags. So this is the deluxe sticker kit. The next item up is the Luxe Quilted Pouch. Y'all know that I am a lover of the leather goods that come from Simply Gilded. They are beautiful and they last long. I have not had any issues with any of my Simply Gilded leather goods, and I've been a subscriber for just over a year now. So we have the cream color from the box. Or is this a tan? And then we have the light blue satin interior. Y'all, this is so pretty. We have our D-rings on the sides in case you want to connect a chain. And it has the chevron quilted pattern. It has our Simply Gilded tag in there, and this is just beautiful, and it feels so soft and it's sturdy. Like I said, everything that comes from Simply Gilded is super sturdy. So here is the Luxe Quilted Pouch. The next item up is the B6 Stitch Binding Notebook. Guys, you know I never take this out of the plastic because I don't use them. I don't have anything that is B6 sized. It's not for me, okay? This is just a little bit too tiny. But here is the B6 Stitch Binding Notebook. Next item in the box is the pen of the month. Y'all, if you don't have you a Simply Gilded gel pen, even if you're not a kit subscriber, you need this, fam, okay? Do yourself a favor. Grab you one of these pens if you can find one in the shop. They are gel pen. They write very smooth. It's a sturdy pen. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break down on you if you're a heavy writer like I am. I'm super rough on my pens. You guys know that between Simply Gilded and my Villa Beautiful pens. Whoo, child. Okay, so focusing. We have the floral print from that matches the rest of the kit with our gold hardware. Just want you guys to see the quality is great. Trust me. If you don't trust me, look up some of the other Simply Gilded videos. People will tell you these pens are bomb. So this is the floral print gel ink pen in this month's box. The next item up is the vellum sheet set. Now, up until recently, I have not been using these, but what I've noticed is these vellum sheets are perfect size for my mini. So what I'll do is I'll usually cut just over the line on this side and use it as a dashboard or for whatever purpose I'm going to use them. So we have this beautiful chevron pattern that matches the Luxe Quilted Pouch. And then we have the floral, of course, because it's not a box if there is not floral vellum paper in it. So here is the vellum sheet set in this month's box. The next item up are these die cut stickers. Now, it's been a while since I've seen some die cut stickers come from Simply Gilded. So let's pull these out. We have our table set because we are finna spill some tea, okay? And then we have our bike with the basket and the flowers. And there we have our snack bar. We are ready. We're here in Paris and we are ready to go. So here is the die cut stickers from this month's kit. The next item up is not included on the menu card, and this is not the mystery item, so y'all relax. Everybody be cool. Mine definitely was beat up, so I'm not sure what Juniper we're gonna get in here, but let's just pray that she is okay. This is not a toy. This is collectible art. P.S. Juniper loves you. Hopes to see you again soon. Okay, so let's get her open. because the postal service just be doing people wrong. I don't want to open it because I'm probably going to give it away. But we'll just pop it open and see what we have in here. What color do y'all think it is? What dress does Juniper have on? Let's see. And of course, I would get one with the pink. Let me tell y'all what the best detail is on this Juniper. The feet, baby. Do you see that Simply Gilded 20 on there? Obviously, it was designed in 2020. Y'all, my lady is out here ready, okay? So this is the Juniper collectible in this month's box. Now, last but not least, I'm about to show the mystery item. If you are not interested in seeing the mystery item, now is your opportunity to exit this video. I had a sip of wine. Now, with that being said, thank you for watching. And let's get into the mystery item. Boom. What does this look like? This looks like jewelry. Let's get into it. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, ooh. It is jewelry. Oh my God. Y'all, sis got me a necklace, and she did this jewelry on the right month when she did the gold. We here for this. Okay, let me see this because this looks pretty hefty over here. Yes, of course it's inscribed. It says Simply Gilded, established 2015. Let's see if we can you see it? Oh my goodness, so pretty. So here is the mystery item. We've got a bow necklace. So pretty. So guys, here we are, the end of the road. This is the February 2021 Simply Gilded box titled Paris in Spring. If you enjoyed this video, I really hope you would like it. Comment down below. Let me know what part you absolutely loved. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you guys receive updates with the next time I post. Until next time, bye.
Coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone could wear